Alright, this is how you change the hard drive on a Toshiba Satellite laptop. As you can see, I've already removed the battery. It's not plugged in. Always a good idea when you do any work on a laptop is remove the battery. Now here's a little tiny Phillips head screw. This is the compartment door for the hard drive. This is the compartment door for the RAM if you wanted to change RAM. So unscrew this tiny Phillips head screw. Doesn't come all the way out, which is fine. It's harder to lose it that way. And just take a small flathead, stick it in that groove, and pop the door off. Here's your hard drive. It's attached inside this aluminum case. Now you got a screw right here, Phillips head screw. Remove that. That is tiny, but it's safe. Now just pop the drive by pushing it this way. It pops off. This is the connector. Pops right off there. Then you can just pop it out, and that's it. Now, if you're swapping the drive, you're going to need to remove these two screws on this side and the same two screws on that side, and then the hard drive will pop out of this little aluminum casing. So you do that, pop the new hard drive in, put those 4 screws back in, and stick it back in the opening. And you just reverse the process. Slide it in until it's fully pressed up against the connector. And you can see that the holes line up for the screws. Put that tiny little screw back in. And pop the door back in. It's got 2 tabs on this side and 1 tab on this side. They all have to be lined up. So you just kind of push down with your thumb. Once you get those 2 tabs lined up, push down on this side with your thumb, and then press it into place. Tighten that screw, and that's it. Your hard drive is replaced. Reinsert the battery. And power up. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video.